Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. I bring for you beautiful room decoration and kitchen decoration, bathroom decoration, very beautiful for you I bring. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this room, you can see beautiful, it is the entrance, you can see beautiful wooden theme, the outside door very beautiful decoration and design. Also you can see same like a carpet you keeping near that door, it is like same like this very beautiful design, very good design. And so also you can see very beautiful, you can see the down, it is like a jungle some place, but it is looking very beautiful place. You can see the lamp, beautiful lamp and all, very attractive lamp, beautiful. And you can see this one also very beautiful, you can see the up lamp, you can see gold type lamp, looking very beautiful lamp. And the down floor is also very beautiful. This one also you can see very beautiful, you can see the up lights and all, beautiful lights. And the door you can see VIP door, beautiful door. And this one also you can see the construction is going, the design, decoration design is going on, very beautiful design and all, good design they are making for this one, very beautiful design also. And this one you can see the beautiful decoration and design, you can see the wall decoration they did, the style they did, and the entrance also very beautiful entrance. This one also very beautiful in black color gate, and the cupboards you can see, so it is also a gate, beautiful decoration. The ever room I like, the house I like, very beautiful, you can see the decoration. This one also may be a big house or a hotel, so like it is looking very beautiful. You can see the floor, beautiful floor decoration, you can see the green, white, black, blue. And so you can see in the house they made the swimming pool, beautiful swimming pool, you can see the dolphin and all, beautiful dolphin, and they put the fish something, and the machine is there, very beautiful decoration and all, good decoration. And so also you can see the stones, it is there, the stones, and the roof floor, very beautiful decoration, good decoration and idea. And it's also very beautiful, you can see the table there, you can study, teach or drink coffee something, beautiful decoration. Inside also very beautiful white and black color theme, beautiful decoration. And so you can see the uplights and the palm tree, beautiful, the wall decoration and color, beautiful decoration and color, looking very attractive. So if you like this video guys, don't forget to comment me and subscribe to my channel, that I can get more interested in YouTube, that I can bring for you beautiful videos I can bring for you. So it's also very beautiful. This one you can see the black color roof floor and the stairs and the gate, beautiful decoration and all. It's also very beautiful, you can see the lamp and the walls you can see beautiful wall. And it's also very beautiful, you can see the floor, it is normal but looking very good, very nice, very good looking, you can see. And it's also very beautiful, it is like attractive but beautiful. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share with friends, that for entertaining me, that I can bring for you beautiful videos. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, love you all.